Hello friends and welcome to another lecture of Leo English Hub, and today we are going to see the solution for a short story that I gave you to prepare in our last lecture, and the topic was my next Sunday. The topic of the short story was on my next Sunday, that what we are going to do, what you are going to do on your next Sunday. And I gave some points also in that lecture, and I hope you must have prepared a good short story on your own using your own thoughts. And today I'm going to give you the solution in 3 passages as well. So don't go away, don't skip the video ever, and I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update and we also get supported. Those who are new to our channel, I would request them to start learning from the very first lecture, and step by step they can learn good English grammar and other skills. So here we have the first passage of the solution of the short story my next Sunday, and out of the points and clues that I gave, I have prepared a short story as well in 3 passages. The first passage is on your screen at the moment. You can note them down as well, you can get ideas. Obviously your story would be different from this, but you can always take ideas that how to generate short stories using the skills of English language that we have learned until now at different platforms, not only on our channel but all the platforms like schools, colleges or whatever. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to repeat after you the first passage. Okay, so let's start. Next Sunday I will get up early at 5 a.m. because we all are going to take bath in Mahakumbh. On previous day Saturday, we will pack up the luggage before going to bed. Our bus will arrive at the bus depot at 6 a.m. We will reach the depot quickly after having the breakfast. We will take with us some homemade snacks too. So that's it for the first passage. And now I am quickly going on to the second passage on next screen. You can note down by pausing the video. So the second passage is coming up now. I will enjoy much in the bus. We all family members will sing bhajans and will pray God while traveling. Also we will play some games like Antakshari. I and my family don't like outside food. Therefore, we will take lunch at any holy temple or Bhojanalaya. I will gather necessary information about Mahakumbh by discussing with all. So here is the second passage, and it describes about our activities while on the way, while in the bus. So you have an example, you have a guideline over here that how we can express ourselves, how we can generate ideas on our own, and we can create stories, and that can enable us to use our English skills of writing, grammar skills, and also while practicing at home you can speak on it. Those who want to directly speak, they can also do this, and creating short story is an art, and that can help you a lot in learning and practicing English grammar skills. Let's move on to the third passage, guys. You can pause, always you can pause the video and note down the passages on your screen. The third passage is coming up now. After that we will continue our journey. On the way we will have light refreshment at any decent place. Our bus will reach us to Prayagraj on the next day, Monday. We will stay there for 4 days. We will feel sacred by taking a holy bath at Sangam. I will take many photos during the tour. Thus, I will enjoy a long trip on Sunday. So that's it, guys, for today. All the 3 passages have been covered and pronounced. You can also check the work that you have done and compare what mistakes you have done. If you have any doubt, any query, you can raise it in our comment section. Say for example you are not understanding any word, any term, I would express them, because I have used some Indian terms according to Indian situations. So those who are not in India and they are not aware about certain terms, they can always comment, use comment section, and I would always reply you as soon as possible. And I hope, guys, this lecture will help you in creating more and more stories on your own, and these kind of lectures are important for you, and we will meet you with more this kind of information and more important lectures. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also like and share our channel so that your friends and family can also benefit from the flow of good information on our channel. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. Thank you.